In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Smartsheet crashing issues. If Smartsheet keeps freezing, reloading, or closing unexpectedly, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do to narrow down the cause and get things working normally again. We'll go through the most effective troubleshooting actions in a clear order so you can test the problem as you go. First, refresh the Smartsheet page. Sometimes a crash is caused by a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is enough to re-establish the session and clear out a minor glitch. After the page reloads, try using Smartsheet again for a moment to see whether the issue returns. If it's still unstable, close extra browser tabs or any apps running in the background that may be slowing down your device. Smartsheet can become less responsive if your computer is low on memory or if too many programs are competing for resources. Reducing that workload can make a noticeable difference, especially if you have several heavy websites or applications open at once. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, which may interfere with how websites load and behave. Clearing this data gives your browser a cleaner start with Smartsheet. Keep in mind that this may sign you out of some websites, so be prepared to log back in afterward. Another useful step is to disable browser extensions that may be interfering with Smartsheet. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script managers, and other add-ons can sometimes conflict with web apps. Try turning extensions off temporarily, then reopen Smartsheet and check whether the crashing stops. If it does, you'll know one of those extensions is likely responsible. If the issue continues, try using another browser or a different device. This helps you figure out whether the problem is tied to your current browser environment or your computer itself. For example, if Smartsheet works fine in another browser, that points to a browser-specific issue rather than a problem with your account. You should also check Smartsheet's status page for any service issues. If there's an outage or degraded performance on their side, troubleshooting on your device may not solve it right away. In that case, the best option is to wait until the service is fully restored. If Smartsheet is still crashing after all of that, contact Smartsheet support. Let them know what you've already tried, what browser or device you're using, and when the crashing happens. That information can help them diagnose the issue faster and guide you to a solution. That's it for this video, and I hope this helps you get Smartsheet running smoothly again.